How to add filters on WhatsApp video call. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So adding filters to WhatsApp video calls might be an impossible task without using another app. But there might be a way to use filters or beautify effect on WhatsApp video calls. So follow the steps with me. First of all, open up settings. Now scroll Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now find accessibility. Now tap on it. Again scroll down. Now here you can find the option for retouch appearance in video calls. Tap on it. Now enable this toggle. Now under the apps, if you have WhatsApp installed, you will find WhatsApp here. Now adjust the slider to increase the beautify effects on the video calls. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.